Welcome back. A quick update. I want to share with you another box of goodies we've got. I mean, I feel like a little kid in a candy store at the moment. I mean, this is brilliant. You can tell what it is. You can probably see the picture here, and you can probably see the name here. But yeah, it is a bow thruster from Vetus. It is a bow 75 24 volt, because we've got 24 volt system on the boat. So naturally it's a 24 volt, and it's the thrust of it is 85 kgf. I'm reading it from the back of here. It's got all the specs in it, so I'm cheating. Before we open this big box, let's open this three little boxes we've got here. What's that? A battery main switch we ordered for it. Pretty big. What else? That's the remote, I think. Yeah, that's the remote control and other stuff. I have no idea what it's for, but it's irrelevant. This cute little thing. Oh, look at that! You can. It's brilliant because you can operate bow thruster from anywhere on the boat, and also you can connect it to your windlass, so you can operate an anchor. If you're in a cockpit, you don't need the other person, so you can do it short-handedly. If you're short-handed on the boat, you can also control a windlass. So cool stuff. You know, some cables to connect it. You can't do without it. We've got 16 meters, which I hope it's enough. And what else? Oh yeah, and this little joystick. And but we don't have a joystick. We actually, because you've got two versions. You've got a joystick version and you've got a push button. We chose the push button. I think it looks pretty slick. You know. Shall we open it? Let's open it. Yeah, that's the one we got. So that. But let's get to the main star of the show and let's open this box. Let's have a peek inside. Instruction manual. There's like a polystyrene cover. Oops. There. Oh, I don't know if I can manage to get it out. No, I can't. Hold on. I'll do it a bit differently. God, it's heavy. Blimey. Woo. Here. Beautiful. It gives us a thrust of 85 kgf and the power is 4.4 kilowatts. It can work continuously for about 3 minutes. So yeah, that's enough for sure. And why we chose this one in particular, because there are obviously several models. You've got a less powerful one or even bigger, more powerful one that gives you a bigger thrust. But on the Vetus website you have this table and you choose your bow thruster based on several things. So you choose the type of the boat, whether it's sailing boat or whether it's a motorboat, on the length of the boat, the displacement, and the type of keel you've got. And this one was the one that was recommended for our boat. Hence, we got this one. One more thing that is missing from this whole kit is a tunnel. Well, you can't fit it without a tunnel. Well, we're not the most comfortable with fitting the tunnel or making a massive hole in the bow. So we've asked someone else to do it for us, and it's a professional who works in Bridge Marina, and he does these jobs on a daily basis. Now he's very comfortable with making a massive hole, and I think as we speak he started fitting the tunnel. I'm not sure. We are heading to the marina soon, so we will show you and we will see for ourselves. But before we head off to the marina, there's a couple of more things I wanted to mention, and it's regarding the control panel. That's the switch panel I told you about last week, and also about the engine. But let's start with the control panel. We haven't got it here yet, so I cannot physically show you the panel, but we received a video from Greg and it is actually ready. I'm going to put it up on screen so you can see what it looks like. I have to say that I was pretty impressed. We can't thank him enough for what he's done. It's worth mentioning that he has stayed up till 3 a.m. to finish it, so we get to see it first thing in the morning today.
Yeah, by the way, thanks a lot, Greg, for waking us up around 3 o'clock in the night. Yeah, well done.
Last but not least is the news about the engine. So we got an update that the engine has been taken apart, so it's sitting there in pieces. But the good news is that it looks very good inside. It's in a very good condition. And I'm going to put up pictures on screen so you can see for yourself. The mechanic has also mentioned that the injectors were completely worn out. So instead of injecting fuel, it was actually sort of dripping fuel. Perhaps this is the reason why we had so much smoke behind, and perhaps also a reason why we had the diesel coming out with water from the exhaust. Who knows? I think that's it, and we should head to the marina now.
It's one more thing which you forget.
And that is?
Engine.
I mentioned the engine.
Engine panel.
Oh, the engine panel. Yes, the engine panel. The engine panel is ready as well. Greg has put it together. Same thing, we don't have it here. It's abroad, it's with him. But we can show you the video that he has sent to us. So yeah, let's put it up on screen, and that's the last thing, and then after we are gone. I swear. Check it out.
Cool.
Oh wow. Now give it a good punch inside.
That's it.
What can I do?
Wait till I do the other one and then you can do it.